So how do you make 1/3 of a cup if you only have measuring spoons? So you don't have your measuring cups, just measuring spoons. You want 1/3 of a cup. Here's probably the easiest way to do it. Go to your refrigerator, grab a stick of butter here, and let's just look at the stick of butter. It has all this information about tablespoons printed on it. We want 1/3 of a cup. That's what we're looking for. So right here, 1/3 of a cup. Let's just cut this right here. There's our 1/3 of a cup over here. And we can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons. So 5 tablespoons. And then about 1/3 of a tablespoon. 1/3 of a tablespoon, that's just 1 teaspoon. So if we wanted 1/3 a cup, we could just take 5 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon, and that would give us our 1/3 of a cup. Let's do it the math way real quick. So if 1 cup is 16 tablespoons, we could just take 1/3 of that. We divide this by 3. And so 16 divided by 3 doesn't work out perfectly, but 3 goes into 16 5 times with 1 left over, and then we could bring the 3 across. So we'd take 5 and 1/3 tablespoons. That's what we found up here, because remember, 1/3 of a tablespoon, that's equal to our teaspoon. That's because 1 tablespoon equals 3 of those smaller teaspoons there. So 1/3 of 3 is just the 1. So that's it. That's how you get 1/3 cup, how you measure that out with measuring spoons. The answer, 5 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.